So you bought your KP Mini because you keep blowing up your Grom, and you're saying to yourself, my God, these are the ugliest turn signals I've ever seen. And instead of looking like this, you want it to look like this. Well, you're in luck. All you need is a Phillips bit and an 8mm socket. These little doodads come in very handy. You can get them at Lowe's, Home Depot, a lot of places. Turns it into a right hand thing, accepts any bit. So put a little Phillips in there. Turn that back off. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips. We'll pull those out. Some people take them apart far further. And I don't. I gotta stop looking at my yoink. It's one over here. And sorry, my GoPro is on my head, so I don't know if it's pointing in the right place. And these screws are all the same size, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. Three. One in here. That's 4. 5, 6. I was wrong, there are 6. Again, apologies. So, get those 6 out. Take your 8mm and yeet this bad boy out here. And if you're like me and you didn't pay the silly pre-assembly thing, which is a waste of money in my opinion, I did the other side already, and it was, this bolt here was just finger tight because I was just itching to get out on the road. Instead of going over every nut and bolt, I just hit the important ones. So what that'll do, oh, where'd that fall off of? Oh. Anyway, that'll let you pull this away and pull that away and give you access to the plug for these bad boys. I didn't have to on the other side, but I'm gonna cut that little tie that holds that there for this side. Now this is the RS, the fuel injected one, and I think it's in a slightly different spot, the where you actually plug it in, because I couldn't find it, and at first I thought I was going to have to cannibalize the wire for that, but you do not. was digging and digging and digging. I couldn't find it, but it was actually tucked up. Probably can't see, but it was up behind the coil. I found the 2 plug ends for those, oh come on, turn signals. So I'm going to scoot that one over there a little bit. And that puts it right here, if you can see that. So all you have to do is just and match your colors. I think it's like brownish yellowish for the left turn signal and the right is blue. All the minis I've done, green is like a common ground. So yeah, so take that, whack that in there, and then that's done. Looks like it was this one here I lost the clip on. The other side I found it easier to start with the 8mm bolt, but since that clip fell out, I gotta sort of try to get the bad one in first, and then a couple other little tips I figured out. So got these little push-in tabs, make sure that's in right. This, make sure the plastic's on the outside of that brace, and that little tab gotta go under that little donger there. Then I line this bad boy up here. Or not. Yeah, it's in. I'm doing it in real time instead of just saying, and then put all the other crap back in and you're done. Just to show it's only a few minutes and you're Dunsville. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. I love it when a plan comes together. Except sometimes lining. Uh-oh. The other side's a little easier just because of the way it leans. Come on now. So no cuts, no edits, even leaving in things that go wrong to show you just how easy this is. And then take your 8mm. Oh wait, I might be wrong. Yeah. It's 8mm on the left side, and looks like it's probably 10. Yeah, on the right side. Sorry for lying to you earlier. So, and then you just yeet this here nut off the bottom. Oh, this is different. See, it's got a nut in between, and this side, it was actually just below that nut that holds your lever on. Okay, so you got that disconnected. Might as well just throw that back on there for funsies. Now, I don't think it's the same with the RS. They changed the tail light, but I know the carbureted models, you can do this in the rear too. The amber turn signal thingies are just wires to unplug and plug in. So then find your Duhanger massive wiring. Follow your... Yeah, I didn't plan this out very well. That goes down there. Okay, so there's two of these big rubber keeper things, and these just plug in there. And if you're worried about them being open like that, those plugs that were up in there that probably take more abuse were just open. So there, you're done. That was it. So simple, even a caveman could do it. And then now you have your tank turn signal. And those obnoxiously ugly, yeah, you know, I still have these, but I just got it. Give me some time. But that's it. Turn signal's off. Keep it because I imagine different states have different laws on codes and stupid stuff, but it takes just a few minutes and one socket and a Phillips for the left side, 2 sockets and a Phillips for the right side. You could do the entire thing probably 15 minutes or less. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Join my Patreon and my OnlyFans.